In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use PayPal on Uber Eats. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your PayPal account so you can issue payments for any Uber Eats orders that you place is extremely simple. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Uber Eats, and in here, you can either go over to your account page, as I'm gonna be demonstrating first, or proceeding to checkout. The option is going to be available regardless of which option you pick. So if you prefer to go over to your account settings, you will be able to select Wallet at the top to assign PayPal as one of the payment methods on your account. So immediately upon going over to Wallet, you will be able to tap the option to add a payment method. On most regions, PayPal is going to be available from the get-go. If you don't see PayPal here, then unfortunately that could mean that it is not available for your region. But if you see PayPal, just tap the option and usually you will be redirected to their app or the website where you have to sign into your PayPal account. Now, I got an issue here, so I'm just going to close down this window. And I want to note that I'm not going to be covering the full process because it contains personal information, but it's as simple as signing into your account, and as long as you confirm your credentials, such as your email, phone number, and password, you will be able to have it attributed to Uber Eats, so the next time you place an order and you choose PayPal, you will be able to confirm the order through there using one of the bank accounts or cards that you have registered in your account. Now, you also have the option to proceed to checkout, and the option to add a PayPal account as a payment method is also going to be available. So you can set it up before placing an order or right after the process when you reach checkout. It is extremely convenient to do, and it's always going to be available for you to use. You can remove the account later or modify it if necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PayPal on Uber Eats. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.